Hello, and it's Andrew here at Life and Pig Row, and today we are harvesting garlic. Now we harvest garlic a little later than most of you, and the reason for that is very simple. We're higher up than you are, we have colder soil at the start of the year and also at the end of the year. So our garlic goes in the ground around November and we leave it to the end of July so we know we get fully formed bulbs. So let's go and look at my garlic patch. I've got two and I'm going to harvest one today. So here's our garlic patch, and you can start to see the leaves are starting to turn yellow and some of the stems have actually fallen over. Can you see this one here? Just this one here? This one's just fallen over, okay? So that means it's time for the garlic to come out, and that's one of the number one questions we get. When should the garlic come out? We're gonna start at the back and work our way forward, and it's a matter of just getting your fork in, down we go, and lift, and the bulb should come out quite easily. And just put that on the side and carry on. So there's my garlic, but I'm not going to leave it like that because it will stain. We need to get a lot of the soil off as quickly as possible, and that will stop any kind of rot setting in through the soil. And all I need to do that with is my hands and a bread basket. So I'm going to start with the garlic and I'm going to clear it off. And all it is a matter of taking off any of the soil and throwing it back on the bed. Very, very garlicky smell here. And then I'm going to do this. So I'm taking the leaf from lower down, which is dried, which is why you have to wait until they dry, and off it comes like so. And I'll peel off anything like that, and I've got myself a lovely white garlic. Isn't that nice? Shake off any dirt, make sure that's cleaned out. Then all I'm going to do, because there's plenty of air circulating around, I'm going to pop it in there and it's going to dry out. Let's do some more quickly. And there you are, a bed basket of garlic, and that's going to go in the greenhouse and it's going to dry out in the greenhouse. The variety is Germidor, very pungent, lovely, nice and clean now. They'll go in the greenhouse, like I said. Now, let's put them down there. What happens to these itty bitty ones? And by the way, I've had better crops off this, and I think this year we've not had such a great crop because we had a really slow spring, and I've been feeding them and I've been watering them, and I've still ended up with some tiddlers. What do we do with these? Well, you know what you do with them? You take them into the house and you eat them. Simple as that. Chop them up whole, throw them in a nice dish, and there you are. You can have garlic bread, which is the future. You could have anything, you know, nice bruschetta, nice bolognese sauce. It's up to you. So that's garlic. At the end of this video, you'll find a link which will teach you how to plait garlic, and it's a plait that not many people use, and we use this plait to stop contact rot, because even though we felt all those bulbs and they felt okay, when you've stored them for 6 months and you've been eating them during that time, every now and again you'll get a garlic that will rot and it can wipe out all your garlic that you've stored. So it's a way that we do it. So until next time, it's goodbye from me. Bye bye.